Twisted science. Life is made better each day by good science. Science is how to say science. Good science makes mobile phones better and better. Some people believe in the twisted science called urban myths. Urban myths. Olive oil is good for your health. Twist 1. Many English people use olive oil to fry eggs. Heating olive oil changes the chemical structure of the oil. Frying with olive oil is not healthy. The good science. Uncooked olive oil is good for you. Use olive oil instead of margarine on bread, or as a healthy dressing on salads. Exercise is good for you. Twist 2. People in gyms use running machines called treadmills. Treadmills and exercise machines only exercise a few muscles, leaving the other muscles to atrophy. Atrophy. The good science. Running home from work uses all your leg muscles for turning right and left and short strides and long strides. Germs on your food are bad. If there is enough, some will survive the hydrochloric acid in your stomach. Twist 3A. Parents tell their kids to wash their hands before meals and then use knives and forks. Useless. Your hands do not touch your food. You should wash your hands before crisps because you touch crisps and other snacks so the germs can get onto crisps. You should also wash your hands after going to the toilet, opening toilet doors, or picking up dog feces. Hay fever, food allergies, and asthma are common in rich countries, but rare in poor countries. People that get these allergies do not have a healthy mixture of bacteria in their guts. To get a healthy mixture of bacteria, babies instinctively put everything in their mouths. Twist 3B. Overprotective parents and modern style homes cause allergies. Allergies. Parents know that some bacteria are germs, but do not know that most bacteria are helpful. Yeah, it's over 90%, possibly 99%. Baby immune systems are geared up to tackle the germs. Twist 3C. Is chicken feces. Feces means poos. Bacteria in chicken feces are very bad. Bacteria near chickens are in grave danger. Oh, babies near chickens are in grave danger. The good science. Keep allergies away by letting babies put things in their mouths, except near chicken feces. Heating bacteria kills them. True. Wine, beer, and milk are all heated to 70 degrees C to kill bacteria. This is called pasteurization. Pasteurization. Twist 4. Heating food does not make it as good as fresh food. Oh no, if it's full of bacteria, the bacteria poo will be there waiting for you. Bacteria eat, breed, and excrete on warm food. Excrete. The excretum is called toxins. The toxins are heat stable. Yeah, you heat toxins, you still got toxins. Food poisoning is mostly from toxins in meat. The bad taste is often covered by spices, especially curry. The worst food to reheat is rice. Yeah, be careful of curry restaurants. They're often the ones where people get ill. But if you've got a good curry restaurant, stay with it. Keep with that cook. A bacteria that lives on rice makes very toxic excretum. Air filters clean the air. Twist 5. The cleaned air is then sucked outside by bathroom extractor fans. It is better to have an open window in your house and put a filter over it. This filter will filter all the air coming in. The best oil for your health is olive oil. But only if it is not heated. Oh yeah, the whole virgin olive oil and extra virgin olive oil is a waste of time, really. The virgin thing is it's all the first squash of the olives, but it's just all mixed up. Mostly it's done by the first squash anyway. It's just a way of getting more money. Humans have 850 muscles. Treadmills and exercise machines strengthen some leg muscles, but let others atrophy. Millions of bad bacteria, called germs, are killed by your stomachs, hydrochloric acid. You should wash your hands before touching food. You might have billions of germs stuck to your fingers. Oh yes, at the moment in 2020, everyone's washing their hands because of the virus, COVID-19. But bacteria have always been a reason to wash your hands. Hay fever, asthma, and other allergies are more prevalent in people from sterile environments because they do not get a healthy mix of gut bacteria. Cooking kills bacteria but does not kill their excretum. Their excreted toxins. Does not make their excreted toxins safe, especially on reheated rice. Cool, press my picture, get subscribing, get more of my videos, press like, press subscribe. Bye!